Hey guys, it is Desiree with WTI and welcome to my own princess castle here in the comfort of my home. This beautiful little castle is such a fun addition to either a playroom, a living room, really any area that your kiddos love to have fun. I actually put this in our living room where we have her little play area set up, and both of my daughters have enjoyed this. It is a beautiful bright pink fairy castle, and I absolutely love so many different things about this tent. One of them is this rug that comes with the tent. It makes it so that when they come in here to play, it is nice and soft. I also love the height of the castle on the inside. It is tall enough that my toddler can actually stand in here, so she has a lot of fun just having a dance party in here, because who wouldn't, with these beautiful details such as the curtains, the beautiful lights that are in here that makes it feel like a beautiful starry night. I also love that this is a nice area when they want to just sit back and relax. They can watch their tablets, watch TV from here, and it makes it just so much more special for them. So if you're looking for a special space for your little one, then make sure and check out this fairy tent. You will absolutely love it, and so will that special princess in your life. But that's just my point of view.